Wikipedia said, in math, a set permutation is an arrangement of its members into linear order. If the set is ordered, it rearranges the elements. It's like arranging books based on the alphabets, or arranging your clothes based on the colors. So, the word permutation refers to the act of changing the linear order of an ordered set. If there's an alphabet string, it can be rewritten in a different order, like ACBD, DACB, and so on. In full, there are 24 ways to write the 4 letters in a different order. Weaker meaning of the term permutation, sometimes used in elementary combinatorics text, designed as those ordered arrangements in which no element occurs more than once, but without the requirement of using all the elements from a given set. These are not permutations, except in special cases, but are natural generalizations of the ordered arrangement concept. Indeed, this use often involves considering arrangement of a fixed length k of elements taken from a given set of size n. In other words, these k permutations of n are the different ordered arrangement of a k-element subset of an n set. These objects are also known as partial permutations, or as sequences without repetition, terms that avoid confusion with the other, more common meaning of permutation. A code have 4 digits in a specific order. It's between 0 to 9. The question is, how many different permutations if one digit may only be used once? A 4-digit code could be anything between 0 to 9 fourfold, so there are like 10,000 combinations if every digit is used more than once. But of course we can't. One digit may only be used once, so it limits our number of combinations. To find out the correct number of permutations, we can use this formula. Last but not least, permutations are used in interleaved components of errors and correction algorithms, such as turbocodes. For example, 3GPP long-term evolution mobile telecommunication. Applications like this raise the question of fast generation of permutations satisfying the properties. One of the methods is based on the permutation polynomials, and also as a base for optimal hashing and unique permutation hashing. That's all from me that I can make. Hope you enjoy it.